hello, welcome everybody, welcome to Ston, a lovely little city which is known as the Salt City. This is the oldest sea salt factory in Europe. The foundations are over 4,000 years old, but in this condition, as you can see now, it's from 14th century, from the time of Republic of Dubrovnik. We have 53 pools. All pools are named by some saints, and on every pool that name is written on a piece of stone, except for one pool. One pool doesn't have a name by saint. It's called the Mundo. It's called the Mundo because Mundo is a Spanish word for the globe, for the world. And since the Republic of Dubrovnik was in a very good relationship with the Spanish Empire, they gave Spanish name Mundo because in the past salt from that pool has been given to the poor and homeless people all around Republic.
Oh my
They
gosh.
gave it for free. There was a period in the 15th and 14th century when they traded 1 kilo of salt for 1 kilo of gold.
Oh wow.
That was the price. This was the white gold at the past, like nowadays oil.
And that's one reason Stone is also recognized for the wall too. And in a
Yes, the
way, the
walls-
wall was
yes.
protecting
Yes, the
salt.
walls are built to protect the salt in 14th century. These are the second longest walls in the world, right after the Chinese Great Wall.
Wow.
The walls are connected to Mali Stone only for one reason, because in Mali Stone was a storage and a harbor for expanding the salt. So that's why the walls are connected to the Mali Stone. This salt factory in 14th century was earning approximately 15,000 ducats per year. That was one of a third of whole earnings of Republic of Dubrovnik.
Wow.
Tell me, is salt a seasonal thing? Can you?
Yes, we only produce salt in season time where there is many sunny hours and big temperatures. You cannot produce salt in the winter when there is rain, big amount of rain. You cannot produce the salt.
And how much salt do you guys produce every year?
We produce about 1,500 to 2,000 tons of salt.
Do you have an idea of how many wagons like this that will be?
This one wagon is 1 ton of salt. That's the measurement. But the most important thing is we are talking now about the regular salt. But we also produce the flour of the salt, or French word fleur de sel. Fleur de sel is a very special type of salt, the purest product of salt. Why? Because in the process of crystallization, it stays on the top of the surface of the pools. So the best minerals are coming out on the surface. It looks like the water is freezed. And then we collect it with special techniques and dry it on a sun. Very rare, very expensive. 1 kilo of flour of salt is 1,000 kunas and 1 kilo of regular salt is 10 kunas.
Wow.
So it's 100 times more.
Well, I know that your season is basically finished for the salt, but I see a little bit of salt in there.
Yes.
Is there, you need some help collecting that today?
Yes,
We're all
maybe,
hard
maybe.
workers.
If you are willing to help,
I
there
think
is
we're
no
willing.
problem for that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah?
We're up for
Happy to
this.
do that.
And I'm sure we have to get in there, right?
Yes,
In
you have to
It'll
get
be
in
like
there.
a natural pedicure for
Right,
us all.
exactly.
Okay, well, tell us what to do and we'll help you out.
Okay, no problem. You have to wear a boot
Okay?
or boot, okay, and then you have. I'll put your shovel in your hand, and you must shovel the salt into
the wagon.
into the
How hard
wagons.
can it be?
Yeah.
Shovel.
All right, guys, let's get to work.
Yes.